Quack, 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 quack.
Yokin.
What on earth are you?
Sister? I have a sister. Sister!
What are you supposed to be?
It's me. Something a duck does. Quack! 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 Chickens are super nice, too.
Or your feathers, or how many silly beds you have. None of that stuff.
May I tell you something, Mom?
Anything at all.
Does anybody know where that is?
A flamingo.
You said it. Come here. What's your name? Malaysia. Come up here. Can everybody help me say good morning to Malaysia the flamingo? Good morning, Malaysia the flamingo. Come here.
Woo! Sky. Ow! I think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly. Whoa!